egi yori ha program wakireho ahashaheji program Reeba Ahindugire ndi Betty Komujuni nakushemera omunonga kandi sabite yahwire nkaba njiro mu district ya Mitooma omucyange cy'urukwetwa rwenkanja omu Kyeibaare omu Mutara kandi onkaba njiro muka y'omwami BEMUGA ningashi Dr. Mugasha omuntu ogu n'omurisa w'amaani omuntu ogu n'omushubuzi ruranganwa omuntu ogu na Dr. w'ebitabo nibinje byakozire nibinje byarebire aho enshonga y'obwire sabite yahwire turahendire konka emboza kitwabire twagisya hati niho turatandikira
so kuna yaho banterra kuba kunyenda UK gandagazaga UK hatan manyenda UK immediately my visa and everything ikakorwa British embassy in 2 days I had a visa banya the ticket jumped on the plane I went to UK from London to North London it's about close to almost 400 kilometers. So, but I had a special to say. Banyoleke ebintu ebakuza kuleta. Ngiye mbuga yona because it was about 40 metric tons. Why abichibi? I don't know. Tipo ndo wogamba kutikura akari. Ibintu bikaba ruseze karo akasente komujuni. So anyway, they chartered the plane, Entebbe. This is how we started again. Now the oil exploration. Twatandikira twaza semuriki.
Mukama wakoze exploration.
No, that is exploration now.
Okay.
Yes, that's exploration. So tutandika no roads. No nothing. Konkate chintu now imagine chinte kuma another phase. So even other clients are benyini because the blind sat me down he says, my son, you need to understand this. This is the way. So at to the oil.
Government jira okuya bitahamu obebareka nki
oh no, you see at the commission this is very interesting in oil business at nyowe I have a block you come you try your best kora bwene tuza kusharing utabwine ibyo nibyaki nibyawe so that is exactly that but you see government cyawe netukorera ibintu bitawe ntureta numberetera tumukushashura mushoro in any case ibintu babyizere bakwetana bageta temporary arrangement aho ko ibintu nibija mukora icyo mukubikozesa mwahiza phase yabyo mwakambikirini ngambira parking ngambata umunyoni mwakambagarizayo because babitakwetagwa so tukora seismic tukora exploration in Semuriki now we attempted drilling the first well now we had to bring in what they bageta rig ibakutembesa nankane akazi about 200 truckloads kuleta from Mombasa hato bumwenu company yakora ina abantu tukaturi team y'abantu kama kumyana kama kumyana you don't need to be many in order to make so aho nga making sure ngwebyo tukora twabikora organically twakora organically wagira wazarya igifezi wabwene sentaha investing muri yeji but investing in that line ya clearing and whatever so nanye mushija wezi companies na 20 batana kati kwija ngo tukoragane manye abantu batandika kuja kunyebuzaho. So unfortunately the two wells twagizire
ito kagura mwaka cyogo
that was I think 2001. Yes. So twarese rig twatimba semuliki the two wells.
mwagatimba mwagaheyo
twashanga amajita tukaba unfortunate twatunguye bakweta mu dry wells results. So akata yumajita amajita gato turiyo tukata sufficient. But there are so many reasons that kuleta nkecho. Either mbasa ko mwakwesa rig etari modern nangashi no wasa kuba oteke umuntu a rig karabe for some reason iza gweshekiro whatever you overshoot. Okay, you overshoot and you leave. Njo kureba se muri kintu wajangu there is a company iri kuzagaraka kutimba
abo kuba mukimanyangari
igariyo
konkimo mukatunga dry wells.
And you see, once you do that, no warfare wa every well you kutimba no warfare wa close to almost $20 million. Yes. No was off. So aho very interestingly hati Brian tukaturuse muri kiroji Brian Westwood atera mnywano bakamweta Alan Barnes the Australian. But you see, one bar now he was into this maybe a sabenananka nebia. So you come decide that you whatever mshekwati inyonyi ateke mtoro makunyabiri ya doro moto munako mo briefcase ningena mwachera airport. Mwachera airport the following day tugendo wa commissioner batwaraisi sashashora license haija. That was Hardman, called Hardman. Had to atandika another block. Bakweta Kingfisher. Atandikisana rigi turabia. Kuya atandikira we yabwe naki?
Amajita.
Yabwe na majita akatimba two wells. 3. Akaspending akimtwaro kamino nikinana. Ije yaguza baba Taro yagibaguza $1.3 billion. Yakwate sente zite Komujuni yagaruka. Hati nitwe twashiftinga twaza nanka nitwe hati niko kubona nanka heritage nayebwe namajita. Yebwe namajita mingi so hati ejo niyo phase inani jeju mwenu hati Uganda kibiki nanka lete kugira mu Uganda yabwe naki
amajita yabwe namajita
yakitahiramu
abana baza kushoma cosm petroleum
nangwa na nyinyi mahungu ninshoma bora upgrading online this and that online bichi that kind of stuff. So hati 2011 hati twamanya ngo hati mbwenu tuina majita. So hati batu mobilizing because now I would go everywhere in the world, seminars, bichi all companies in the world is associated with oil and gas and what Taro company takumanya. So had to turn mobilizing kugura because they had money. I had over $10 million cash on my account. Yes. Saraka gule na kan tureta to are ready. Auna leta 10 cranes, the biggest fleet of cranes in sub-Sahara Africa. Even BBC came to interview me. Each crane was average $1.5 million. Now, atana nibindi byo mbitwaresere bibona they were tailored for oil and gas. Tokabe ko segundo. So 2011 to are ready to ajira mutwaza kutandika hati development. Konka utukorebi government na these mazeta IOCs, international oil companies. Twakabire ready. We don't have anything to binding at when, meaning we didn't have any laws in place. There were no regulations. There were no PSCs. PSCs are the sharing agreements.
Okay.
So, when
so meanwhile ebi byona no bitabaho agaguma muihamu gumukanga
ate twatagatimbira umanya koko kwakutimba wamanya ngo hari amajita you close the well. You can't drill. Okay. You close. Konkari cyo kweta testing kwenda kumanya hatko watimba izba. Washangu kanu yono basaga kutimba the small wells all around. Haramu bichi. So one testing there is this crude nankanirgam. So ijo kukurga no babiteka no bagiteka mu containers bakweta bitumen containers. So weak of nankan. So bakabuza by auction. The government sold them by auction. If you can pack in Europe nankan. So we are just drilling. Tutakagira icyo bakweta development, and then kukuga development hatunoza production.
Okay.
So ati oba bintu bakatumobilizing development phase, but you cannot tokwasa kuza development phase mutakagizire that holistic arrangement.
Okay.
The companies involved, the government, and many bitongole ibindi byona njyangu no bihorebe bya ngabyanema ngabiha ngabi it is just a lot. This international whatever ni bingi. So atuzo muri ebe biraje aho nho banya pointingire His Excellency the President when he appointed me from 2011 were part of that team. So I was part of the laws, I was part of the regulations, I was part of all this.
Ichiriza tumureho mutugaruka. Tukiriha program Reeba Ahindugire nakushimira mnongo wagaruka wabani itwe watwegeta heda chikeje bari kwija kandi jino program ikubereho buri Sunday shahi naziciro tayari ntwa twashitiraha kukuhisiyaho abantu batari bamwe na bamwe kandi abo rukwegeraho abarukwegesa niyo kagire buyihaho nembozi yabo kajhura no umwe no sheka n'ubundi no shimirwa n'ubundi no jesho yigo. So herizoba turi muri Kyeibaare mu district ya Mitooma omukaya BEMUGA na Dr. Ben Mugasha kandi reka tugumize mu nembozi.
Now hato buzumryebyo ebyo mwe bitwaresere twashashwagize resente tibine cyo gukora package hari aho kubanza tarugo no muno gubikora.
Yes.
Omurimo gwabyo it is oil and gas. Aho mwaka
tibiyatanka kusisikara
byajunda manya impira yagira mabyajunda byamerwa mbiti byagera. So no kurebera so shamunka ncyakare ntuza kutandika kancyakare rero hati nazo company izi company zezo nazo ATC oil in the two terms arachente cyo bakweta development na aricyo kweta nanka exploration nejo muntu wati no timba promotion no timba koko no timba no tekora kujya counter kuko tukumani ucyo kutimba yakiriyo hatwo kuruga cyo kweta waraga kutunga amajita then aricyo kweta exploitation baka mwenu hati nubo kureba big boys bokureba big boys people nanka these companies pockets exploitation hati development phase. How kuba esente in oil and gas chokura ngoira umuntu bageta a cash amwe bageta a blessing. So ati esente oil ziri hari y'igifeze yiturume bakweta ngo development. Hakuba development komushuno ja kuhinga ibiwahinga ori agire hoteli ogwagire enkoko ori agire ki ori aba it is just such a huge thing because and buri muntu wena but mwaba muri organized nicho kurebera tukagenda twakora twa benchmarkinga twaza Nigeria twareba Nigeria abwenchi kurga 1958 ikatanga ku producing oil kukaba yorutaro habaye byatoreza ngahe ibyo nabikabaho bikoze bakabatini biragira birungi hatoko twa benchmark Angola so we came up with the, I think in Africa in the world Uganda has got the best oil and gas rules. And then when it came my passion was on the local content. Local content. Akwale bankibizu bya mahanga ubona again agubine. They failed to involve the locals, the indigenous people. And whether no kuba nangwe nembundu zkwinganachi you miss you don't do that, you are just that is forget about oil. Mweja kurwana mweja kuosha pipe zanyu mweja kubatera mweja you see it becomes so twayenda ngo konka ebinabyo na fightinga na group yanjye twa making sure twa gazetting close to almost 20 areas making sure ngo abanya Ugandan companies zabana supplying ibintu ebyo.
Okay.
Ibi hari clearing and forwarding keta these ibyo kurya mwene bintu byona bikwetagisa konka omoira and gas hako ibintu bikwetagisa nawe ne sente.
Yes.
Kandi ukwetaga sente nabwo numutego gukora mu training mwaza level yo kusupplyinga izo companies hako tubiru mu bijama uko mujuni no shambweni obambe ryo mu Uganda to ine sente katutwarize nga.
Yes.
Kweri oil and gas standards just a standard. So atecho aho no hakubiri twine involvement ya government.
Yes.
Making sure ngo they moved so fast bakoreba kweta ngo oil fund ba training abantu ba twagera even na where to get cheap money because namwaba mwine nkezo 20 plus items kuroja ngo tuzitarajiriye kurungi omuganda wo muhana kusigara mukuru almost $10 billion. Konka it will be a chance asigara mu even two.
Oh really?
Yes, because you see hati kuko water ready.
Yes.
Aroho ekicha kweta ngo final investment decision.
Yes.
The moment FID wale ngo bakajana announcing FID has got a time frame. Now these companies they borrow money.
Yes.
Okay? Hati ko bagera ko mujuni and company kare mwawininga contract kare nanka ndizi mukore twene chokuja they are not going to wait for you these companies but under ni kumanya kuja now we cannot find this whatever in oil and gas in locally we are bringing in our own people our own equipment and people and everything. So this is the situation we are in.
Konka shi ebitongore ebya hero ebya international oil what
companies na
ebyo ne bikitirizana na Uganda kugira ngo bitandike ngo oil etandike ebe drill do mu Uganda obate birikiriza.
No, because bikikirizana all these are just amateka haro no
bitara bwahwire twantura mbagira ngo ebe bitongore
nga bikikiriza mwe no manya ni byebi hati isi yo no munsize developed naba mu kusikana imigwa arezo kora manya ngo ndiki international by biki company be all that bibamo ibyo ni abo kuba itize game of money.
Yes.
Hati in the game ya mano mutata kubiha so konka ninyena ngambere mwenuka for example the lead company which is Total. Total is the government bikikirizaga naje na Sinok and these other companies konka ndaba mu bukwakuruzo bundi abantu akujya konka kana urantabaje kana urantagerake but all in all
but now at the end of the day what is stopping Uganda from
capacity? capacity in terms of money. The moment you don't have money, you can't do much. And then these companies are not going to wait for you. Because now hata government and government is stepping in. Hata the government mushati sit na ezihe guy. So ntija kumantureo. Nyuni kugambira mazima. Ntija kumantureo. Uko na bakwa contract. We have some contracts. Mwene ni sasa bwana ngo mwene bamenka these new entrants. Ako wale wamana kubafuteka munabiha, but it can't it. And you see, oil and gas, you are a service provider in oil and gas, you must comply.
So what is Uganda's fate now?
Hey, fate? No, we are going to produce oil. Whether we are involved, whether we have money or not, the big boys are going to produce oil. So there is nothing can stop this. Hati nolebe chindi china ni kugambira. Hati tuine kizubu chindebere cha our culture. Hati are difference. Nawa ninyita akame. Akame ni kito mutomo.
Yes.
Ni kito mutomo. Konka nkinango ninkariya n'umuntu ni nkamara. Konka kandi haro difference wawo no yita enjojo. Tinkaba ngo umuntu muri enjojo. No. Nangoro konka abantu kama 20 nubasa kugera ki kugita. Numwe mutakumanyana. Mwari kugita hati yaguhansi. Hati mwe mukaje bagana muta.
Yes.
Hati kizubu kitwine. Takagire kuza kubureminga ikizubu cyo kuba cyo bakwete ikizubu cyo gukora hamwe mu Uganda icyo tucyuro akwa gitikari cya nangati kari cya yitu itono ndango orebe Komujuni nyina kamoto kakandije Komujuni and company kataragaza umunanka ka konka kuma kubasa kubasa gukora nga partnerships locally, even locally. There was nothing that was going to fail us here. We could even, because I think a company is in Kumi, is Kumanyum oil and gas. The moment you synergize,
yes,
okay, no more any bank in the world they give you
no
the
okay. Konka shatshabe turete tumukubasa hati nkiwo mwaha abantu abo owechitinisa yahire yo kuzati mwejo tokwasa kugira companies ezo mobilizing.
No, we did.
Makatandika.
We did. And now we are still doing it because in an event we are about 3-4 companies. We did. Konka one it is unfortunately for is nankan these big contracts as abenzuba as nanka zikabahugirwa COVID, whereby mkamta kwasa kumitinga mkamta kwasa kugera ki so muhandike nanka ni online mwohereza that's not in konka tutagakikuza kugira hano mwa kutajya mu COVID umuntu wena wayabashenko wayiho amasiko yachi urago yakore iki so ni byebyo mwenu twashanga ati tine kwa contracts and that's it konka echechi tunyana ngambere not until we come together kintu cha oil and gas kandi tukaba structured and guided by the government ndaza kumroma because it's a huge thing coming, no even individuals you can't manage. Yes. Konkantu zagumana tugeta ngo ni huge thing coming.
Konka shi government nayo kanekirewa ngo it is a huge thing.
But the government doesn't know business. Government doesn't know business. But
business nekorwa individuals kandi individuals bo bakora government so
konka shi kutwakubireba wareba ngati ko kubasa kuremwa ku ministeringa even a parish level small thing warga ko wareba so ebyo nyenda tubirekera ukumujuni mwene reka itu turi tukore bitu reka twefeho konka mwenu in all. That is me. Then 2013 I think the university in America they were following up certain specific things all this time because umuntu waba a specialist oka transporting explosives. So kuna kugambira explosives utakagera munkani ngitabantu nabi kunkana tunzita abantu but these are seismic explosives. Oka transporting detonators, oka transporting radioactives. We are talking of transportation. You store them, you again distribute them. Then it's about kwesa waka wazihayo either because no you work in hand in hand with all the security agencies, even though these explosives, detonators, radioactives zone become army gazetted areas, either magamaga or you get other whatever. It even to use na wano twara no shangu no twaranka no whatever the way they are escorted, you cannot believe it. So I bazone ngira bakora nankani yabo bashanga omushijogu kana omushijo mutawa shija mazima takageragana nanga even akonke even detonator nkanka small detonator katikati kabura that country is accountable and is a UN security concern. Not until it is found. Yes. Konka kushanga ngo nyowe na company tukakora ibintu ebi taroho nangwa not even. So these people they honored me with a PhD. Yes.
Okay, so ncho turukwetera doctor.
Yes. They honored me with a PhD in humanities.
Okay.
Yes.
Naturally.
So when it comes to oil and gas, honestly, and the transportation and the whatever, logistically, I'm an expert. If not in East Africa. So that is the I'm still active, very, very much involved. But I'm leaving the show because every day kushanga ndi dankani kahi nankani seminars what so giving lectures where but now I am pulling back. The company now can run on its own, okay? Because I don't want to come to this base when I cannot move to see my cows. No. I am here. I want to enjoy my scenery. I want to be with my people. And if the company cannot now move from that level to another level, then I don't consider myself successful in that sense. But what I want to assure you, abana bari bakora imirimo yabo.
Okay.
Muvuga atangibiti ngo tinchibiti. Imwe tinchibiti mwibintu too complicated. Atabana nubo kubana nyikiti ngo bizamati ngakubasati. No nanya hati nanjye. So ingira nti nanyereka nga
program Reeba Ahindugire ha TV West omujenyi witu no mukuru BEMUGA reka tumuriho.